Hi guys, most of them get answer 0 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. 7 minus 7 is 0 times here 7 plus 7 is 14. Now 0 times 14 is 0. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication and division, addition and subtractions. Here multiplication and divisions are equal priority, as well as this addition and subtractions are also having equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order in the problem. We are going to do this problem in correct way as per the order of operations PEMDAS. Now this multiplication we have to do first before subtraction and addition, because this multiplication is higher priority. So 7 minus 7 times 7 is 49 plus this 7. Now subtraction and additions are equal priority. Addition and subtractions are equal priority. We have to do this left to right order. Here is left to right is 7 minus 49. 7 minus 49 is minus 42 plus this 7. Here we have one subtraction and addition. So minus 35. This is the correct answer. So correct one is minus 35.